Lot 81 in our upcoming designer collection auction is a limited edition woven leather Samourai 1947 frame handbag, released to celebrate 60 years of the House of Dior as part of the 2007 full collection. John Galliano, the head designer at Dior at the time, incorporated Japanese artistic elements into the design of this handbag, featuring an elaborate dark brown basket woven leather construction, a textured looping top handle with decorative acrylic serpents and twisted tie detailing, a top hinged lacquer frame with latch fastening and maker's signature jacquard logo fabric lining. With a retail price at approximately £3,000, this handbag has an auction estimate of £700 to £900 and is an item not to be missed. In pristine condition, this bag comes complete with its maintenance guide, authenticity card, dust bag and box.